I remember when I used to own my own HVAC company, many people would say, oh, it's just a sales tactic. I don't really need to do regular maintenance to my HVAC system. And now that I've sold my company, I can finally be honest without sounding like I'm trying to sell you something. And I'm here to tell you the truth. The truth is, yes, you should still be getting preventative maintenance done to your HVAC system. Many HVAC breakdowns are simply due to poor maintenance. A qualified HVAC technician should inspect your system, clean the components, and identify potential problems. This can help prevent costly repairs down the road.